Welcome back, guys. This is Alcoholic Endeavors, and today we are going to be making the slow summer. Now, I realize it's not really summer anymore, and it's more like fall, and it's Halloween season, but I'm kind of late to the party. I forgot about this drink, and I was like, oh shit, I should have did this. Better late than never, I guess. I could have done it next year, but that's too long away, so Anyways, what you're going to need is honey liqueur, strawberry vodka, kiss caramel vodka, a slow and low rock and rye whiskey. Now, you don't actually have to add this if you don't want to. I highly recommend that you do because it's really good, but it's fine without it. And you'll also need a Sprite. You can use zero sugar or regular. I'm going to use zero sugar because I like zero sugar on this one. So let's go ahead and get down to making it. It's a pretty simple recipe. You only need 1 ounce of everything. So 1 ounce of your honey liqueur, which sounds like a lot. I originally thought it was a half an ounce, but turns out the video on my Alcoholic Endeavors YouTube channel, yeah, it's 1 ounce. 1 ounce of strawberry vodka. Sorry, I'm a little stuffy still from my sickness. I will probably be sick forever, but whatever. You need 1 ounce of your Kiss Caramel vodka. I need to drink a little bit out of it. Yummy. 1 ounce of your rock and rye, if you so choose. Like I said, it's good without it. You don't need it, but you can add it if you have it. And then you fill up half a can of Sprite. I already put about a third a can of this in, so about right there. Stir on up with what little ice you do have in here, because it seems like they all melted. I didn't think I was taking that long, but shows you what I know. So give her a nice good stir. And there you have it. A slow summer. Or at least that's what Stumpy said it was. And it's a very wonderful combination of honey and whiskey that go really well together. Kiss Caramel really brings out the rye whiskey that's in it. Also, of course, Slow and Low has rye whiskey, rock candy, raw honey, aromatic bitters, and a navel orange in it is what the recipe calls. But that's what that's supposed to be. It's 84 proof, so it is a whiskey, surprisingly. And not a liqueur. And honestly, like I said, you don't have to use the rock and rye if you don't want to. If you can't find that, don't worry about it. It's not necessary. But it's kind of nice because it works with the name, because it's called Slow and Low, so Slow Summer, But it is a wonderful drink, and I would highly recommend for anybody to try this out. Stumpy does good with his drinks, he does. Anyways, thanks for watching, hope to see you next time.